Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove a background picture using Photoshop. Alright, if you don't know how to remove a background picture from your photo, don't worry, because in this video I will show you step-by-step guide on how you can remove a background picture using Photoshop. Alright, here is my Photoshop interface. If you check very well, you see that the interface is blank. Okay, so what I will do now is to bring the picture that I want to remove the background. Okay, we have two ways of bringing picture to Photoshop. So the first step is to click on File, then Open. Okay, you now select the picture from your system. Okay, the second step is to do drag and drop, and that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'll go to my File Explorer here where I save the picture, then I'll do what? I'll drag the picture to Photoshop. This is the picture. I'm going to show you how to remove the background of this picture. Alright, before I get started, I have to double click here. Alright, then I'll create a layer. I can change the name of this layer. Alright, I can use work as a name, then I'll click OK. Alright, so let me zoom the picture so that I'll be seeing what I'm doing. Alright, okay, so there are a lot of tools you can use to remove your background. Either you use your polygonal lasso tool, or use your quick selection tool, but I'm going to show you how to use the polygonal lasso tool. Alright, that is the tool I'm going to be using in this video. Alright, so what I will do now is to click here. Okay, then I'll start from here. I'm doing it like this, like this, like this. Then when you join this one from this point to this point, okay, then you press delete on your keyboard to take out the background. Alright, that is what you do. And one more thing, for example, if you're selecting and you make a mistake, you don't want to select there, just press backspace on your keyboard, okay, to come back to where you started. Alright, so I'll start from here again. This is how you can remove your background picture using polygonal lasso tool. Alright, just be doing it like this, like this. Okay, just be selecting. Alright, so be selecting it. Like I made a mistake, so I'll press my backspace to go back to where I started. Okay, like this. Let me remove this one like this. this. I press delete on my keyboard to take out the background picture. Alright, so I'll now start from here again. Okay, let's be selecting. This video might be fast a bit. Like this, you have to be selecting it. If you make a mistake, you press backspace on your keyboard. Okay. Like this, just be selecting until the background is out. Alright, until the background is out. Just be selecting until the background is out. Alright, like this, like this. You might find it difficult at the first place, okay, but when you start practicing it, it will now be more easier for you. Okay, alright, so this is it. The background picture is gone. Alright, this is the original picture with background, and this is the one that I have removed the background. So guys, this is how you can remove a background image using Photoshop. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. I'll be there to answer all your questions. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below. Then turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Alright, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.